Going to check on our forecast. Fog going to be something to pay attention to this morning.
Yes, it has improved a little bit, Bree, over the last couple of hours. So some good news there, but we're definitely still dealing with visibility limitations, especially along the coastline. You'll notice we're down to a quarter mile in a few spots, including Reserve, Galliano, and Bellchase. So please be careful. Until 10 o'clock, we're going to be dealing with these fog concerns, and we'll probably see them again tomorrow and more than likely Friday morning as well. Now we are going to see a pattern switch as we get into late Friday and the overnight hours on Saturday morning. So at that point, a cold front comes through and it brings some storm potential with it as well. Hopefully nothing too severe, but we do have the possibility with a marginal risk outlined for our areas. We'll get to that in a moment. Today, however, spring-like as well. We're definitely not used to dealing with these spring-like forecasts for early January, and last year at this time, if you remember, it was bitter cold. So we'll take it instead. I think a lot of people enjoyed the parade weather last night. We're going to have a warm evening this evening as well, upper 50s to low 60s. It will be comfortable getting out there if you have any plans, maybe for dinner outside. We do continue with our southerly flow off the Gulf, making it feel a little more moist in the atmosphere. So it's damp out there when you step outside in the evenings. Make sure you grab that outer layer. Now we'll get into tomorrow with another round of upper 70s to low 80s. Yesterday we broke a record for the warmest ever 12th night with our high forecast of 82. Over the next 3 days, upper 70s to 80s will be our trend until Friday night. At that point, this is what you can expect. So we'll have warm and humid conditions with rain chances very minimal into Friday. I think if we were to see any, it'd be a shower chance or two into Friday evening. Then we'll get towards our overnight time frame and start to watch the cold front approach from the west. It pushes east as we get into the overnight hours and early morning time frame on Saturday. And then the storms will become linear and we'll see it moving out of here by 9-10 o'clock. Behind this, we'll have some lingering clouds, but certainly much cooler air. And we'll find our high forecast for that day happening early, meaning you're going to watch our temperatures fall as we get into the afternoon. So here's what you can expect for that marginal risk. It's a level 1 out of 5 severe weather threat for the North Shore and South Shore. Otherwise, we've got that higher risk off to the west and central Louisiana as well as central Mississippi. But I don't think we'll see too many major issues. So we'll be watching for the possibility of a severe thunderstorm or two. Temperatures will go from the low 80s to the 60s heading into your Saturday. And remember, this number is going to happen early, and then we're going to watch our temperature fall all the more. So we got a considerable drop off in terms of what you can expect impact wise. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, much cooler than we usually would be for this time of year. About, I'd say, 10 degrees. Our high average traditionally around 62, and we'll be in the 50s instead. So definitely welcome change if you're a fan of winter. We're going to continue with spring for just a little while longer here. Again, the majority of that rainfall comes through overnight, so we'll keep the rain chances around 60% as we get into Saturday morning. Looking good as we continue through the start of next week.